This crazy house we bought had a mirror or vanity type thing right here in the bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, primary bedroom, as they're now called. And this is the closet to my daughter's room. So inside the closet, there was a mirror on the opposite side and on this side. And we suspected at some point it was a two-way mirror, but we have no proof of that. And I'm glad that it's not anymore, but it kind of freaked me out. So my husband just removed it for me. And there it is. And now we have to fix it.
Okay, so I framed it out top, sides, bottom, and then one here, vertical in the middle. Tighten these down. All right. Let's use one more, maybe. All right, that's good. Now we're ready for sheetrock on both sides. It's time for the new sheetrock. Got the piece cut perfect size right there. A couple of screws ready to go. I mark here with pencil and here with a pencil so I know where my vertical in the middle is. In a situation like this, I always like to leave a surprise for the next guy. How about this old license plate? Heh 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 heh. And Buck Small Engine DIY YouTube channel sticker. There we go. Just leaving a little signature. All right, and he's up. All right, couple across the bottom. And one or two in our vertical piece. And that's it. Now we're ready for our sheetrock taping. For flat seams, I like to use the fiber mesh tape for flat sheetrock seams because it's self-adhesive and easy to use. You can cut it with scissors, and because it will not bubble up on you like the paper tape sometimes can do. There we go, and now we'll slap some our first coat of joint compound on there. It doesn't have to look like much. We just want to embed the tape. Like that. And there's the completed project. I used some white paint to seal in the sheetrock and joint compound, and we'll repaint this bedroom at a future date. But that project is all done. No one will ever know we were here.
Wah ha 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 ha.